I use the ChatGPT Voice mode on my iPhone every single day, and once you set this up, you can access it from anywhere. It's honestly faster than typing and way more useful than Siri is right now. If you enjoy iPhone tips like this, feel free to subscribe. I've got plenty more quick tips coming. Let me show you 2 ways you can use this voice mode. First, the simple way. All we need to do is open up the ChatGPT app, start a brand new chat, and then tap on the speech icon at the bottom here. This drops you straight into voice mode, and it's basically like talking to your phone. You can capture ideas, plan things out, or just ask questions on the go. But that only works if you open the app, and quite often you'll be doing other things on your phone. So here's the better way. Head to Settings and then tap onto Action button. Swipe across to Controls and then tap Choose a Control. And from here, search for Voice. Select the ChatGPT Voice option when it appears. Now, wherever you are on your iPhone, whatever you're doing, just simply hold the Action button and you're instantly in voice mode. No app switching, no going back to the home screen, it's just there when you need it. And if you found this helpful, you'll probably like this one next.